Hi, you're welcome to Cross TV. Today I'll be showing you how you can send message, how you can send information through your Gmail app, through your Gmail, how you can send message through Gmail app. Normally, most Android phone comes with Gmail application. So go to the Gmail application, click on it. Still loading. Now we are now on Gmail platform. What we need this pen symbol. This pen symbol. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to where you will be able to compose Gmail you wanted to send. You can see this from means what? From your own email. This is my own email to the email you are sending to a recipient, and what the subject, topic, then the information you intend conveying. The information that's number one. Other means is what? Scroll back and go to what? Your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser. Then click on the search menu, then type www.gmail.com. I'm very sorry for the delay on data. So it's still loading now. I'm now on my Gmail account. You can see this pen symbol again. It indicates what you intend typing, the information you intend conveying. Then click on it. It will take you directly to where you'll be able to what? Compose your Gmail account. That's just it. You can then close. Thanks for watching today's video. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified just in case I drop an amazing video just like this. Thanks.